tak boleh tenang. Ni tak boleh sebut nama penuh dah ni.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajmain. Rabbi syrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wa hlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Yang bagi Datuk Seri Haji Norizan Ghazali, Jawabsar Kerajaan Negeri Kedah, merangkap pengurusi Lembaga Zakat Negeri, yang bagi Sahibul Samaah Datuk Paduka Haji Fazil Haji Awang, Mufti Kerajaan Negeri Kedah, Datuk Syekh Zakaria Osman, CEO Lembaga Zakat Negeri Kedah, Tan Sri Azman Mokhtar, para tetamu, distinguished guests, foreigners from various countries, Indonesia Bapak, selamat datang. Our friend from Nigeria, tak ada, bangsa Moro, Switzerland, Bangladesh, mana lagi Pak ya? Bosnia, Uganda, datuk-datuk, datin-datin, tuan-tuan, puan-puan, para tetamu yang menyertai World Zakat and Wakaf Forum. It is with great pleasure and immense pride that I stand before you today as the Chief Minister of Kedah to extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to all the distinguished foreign delegation gathered here for the grand dinner of the World Zakat and Wakaf Forum 2023. Your presence here is truly an honor and a proof to the global importance of this forum. Tonight we come together not only to celebrate the vital role of Zakat and Wakaf in addressing the pressing issues of food security, but also to showcase Kedah's significance in this regard. Kedah, known as the Rice Bowl of Malaysia, has historically played a significant role in ensuring food sufficiency for our nation. It's a matter of immense pride that around 42% of Malaysia rice is contributed by our state. As we gather here tonight, I want all of you to acknowledge the crucial role of Kedah as one of the main suppliers of rice to Malaysia as a whole. Our commitment to food security goes hand in hand with our vision to transform Kedah into the greater Kedah. This vision is not just a dream, it's a promise to our people. It's aligned perfectly with our cherished slogan, Kedah, a state where the wealthy serve and the poor find shelter. This slogan is actually in line with the principles that originate from the legal framework of Islamic jurisprudence we refer to as Zakat. The slogan of Kedah, a state where the wealthy serve and the poor find shelter, is something that, when deeply understood, is precisely what is translated by the principle of Zakat which Allah has obligated for all of us. That is why, as the head of the state, I wholeheartedly support every effort undertaken by the Kedah Zakat Board today. As an Islamic agency, all of us should set a high benchmark in the management and administration of the organization, surpassing other corporate entities. Believe it or not, we must accept the fact that there is still a portion of our citizens who do not understand the role of Zakat in their life. That's why I always encourage the Zakat Board, our official Zakat agency in the state, to take innovative steps to implement various out-of-the-box effort in assisting the needy, especially the Asnaf community in Kedah. Ladies and gentlemen, as we look ahead to the future, the state of Kedah aspire to be more than just a rice producer for Malaysia. We are also strategically aim to be a hub of innovation and excellence, a place where prosperity is shared and every citizen enjoy the benefit of our growth. The Greater Kedah envision a state that is self-sufficient in food production, a pioneer in sustainable agricultural practice, and a model of equitable development. The theme for this year's forum, food security, resonates deeply with our goal. Kedah is committed to ensuring that food security is not merely an aspiration, but a reality for our people and for our nation. Our state's continued dedication to agriculture and the role of Zakat and Wakaf in supporting our agricultural initiative is testament to our unwavering commitment to this cause. As we enjoy this grand dinner and engage in meaningful conversation, let us remember that our collective effort here tonight contribute to a world where food security is not a luxury but a fundamental right for all. Let us harness the power of collaboration and innovation to address the challenge ahead. Tuan-tuan dan puan-puan sekalian, bersempena dengan dinner ini juga, saya ingin mengingatkan kita semua, khususnya anak-anak Kedah di seluruh negara, bahkan di seluruh dunia, untuk memberi perhatian bahwa Lembaga Zakat Kedah sedang mengorak langkah mendahului mana-mana agensi di negara ini dalam bidang food security yang sangat mustahak dan genting pada waktu ini. Saya ingin mengambil kesempatan ini untuk menyeru, mengajak anak-anak Kedah, malah anak-anak negeri lain, untuk menjadikan Lembaga Zakat Kedah sebagai agensi yang teratas untuk dipilih sebagai penerima zakat tahunan kita. Sama ada zakat perniagaan, zakat pendapatan, zakat pertanian, apa-apa jenis zakat yang diwajibkan ke atas kita, Lembaga Zakat Kedah membuka pintu seluas-luasnya untuk menyambut bayaran zakat kepada tuan-tuan dari seluruh negara dan seluruh dunia. I would also like to take this opportunity to express my deepest gratitude to all our sponsors and strategic partners who have contributed to the success of our event this year. I'm deeply moved by the generosity of everyone involved, and I promise that we will do our best to utilize your trust in this event. Ladies and gentlemen, as Chief Minister of Kedah, I'm humbled by the opportunity to host such as esteemed gathering in our beloved state. I encourage you to enjoy this evening, savor the delicious cuisine of Kedah, and engage in meaningful conversation with your fellow delegates. The connections you make here tonight have the potential to spark collaboration that will continue long after this forum concludes. Let us continue to work together to fulfill the promise of Zakat and Wakaf, making a difference in the life of those who need it most. Thank you and enjoy this evening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you Yang Amat Berhormat Datuk Seri for the speech. Yang Amat Berhormat Datuk Seri